Well, that was terrible. Now I really fucked up.
When the shit wasn't popping, I got it like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap. Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish.
What is up, guys? How's everybody doing today? Hopefully good. I'm doing pretty good because I'm on the bike. Pretty nice day today. At least we get a little bit of sun. It's still kind of cold, but that's all right. So today I just I'm gonna go ride with Scott. I don't know if I can say his name in this video. I don't know if that is a bad thing. Doesn't matter. We're gonna go ride with Scott. I'm going to meet him right now. We're meeting at the gas station up here. I don't know what we're doing, if we're just gonna go cruise around or do some like stunt practice stuff, but yeah, we're gonna meet him down here at this gas station. I think he's bringing the Grom. Yeah, maybe I wasn't ready to shift yet. Oh, damn. That sucks. Too much confidence, guys. It's not good. So I was like, yeah, you know, I'm getting the rear brake pretty good. I got this. Nah, B. Nah. Boy, my hand's kind of hurt. Ow, dude. That sucked. My thumb kind of hurts, though. I don't think it's broken, but it fucking hurts. Killing it. Killing it. Oh my god. I can't feel my fingertips because I smacked them on the ground. You've got the foot in there.
Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up.
I mean, the footage will be cool, right? Yeah.
I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Ready or not, I be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness.
Oh, my thumb is killing me. I'm gonna try not to complain too much, but my thumb really hurts.
When the shit wasn't popping, I got it like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap.
I scared those girls so bad.
You're like some Amish girls in dresses and they... That was bad. That was so bad.
I didn't realize, I never get reactions like that.
Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking arenas from LA to Sweden. I never stop winning. I feel undefeated. I come to your city and everyone pulling up, pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up, pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up.
Okay, this is like the longest wheelie I've ever seen. Don't worry, guys. Scott has the oil mod done to his Grom so that the top end doesn't explode. Oh, shit! Oh, that just scared him. Going over bumps like that. Is this a world record right now?
Put all the haters
I
back
don't know
into
why
their
we're doing
place.
that
Now
this
bringing
week,
the
that's
bass. Hey, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me, kill it. They be coming at me, but I hit them with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss. Everybody want it, but I know I gotta get it. I've been dedicated to a life I know I gotta live. Hey, I feel it coming.
What's up? Oh, do you need help? I got it. I don't know where you're going. What the fuck?
For nothing, I know what I need, and it's more than the money, it's more than a woman. Not easy to reach, but I know that I gotta be pulling up, pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done.
Oh yeah, dude.
No problem.
Oh my God.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood. Flow is flowing good, like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said I could. Showing up the class, studying, I try to make good. I am from the West, but I'm not talking Clint Eastwood, yeah. I was thinking about these times, 2 a.m. in my room, creating music with some rhymes. I was feeling divine, third place, took a lot to reach the finish line. But now I'm here, love your Shakespeare. Try to soccer one-on-one, but motherfucker, so easy to fit. That's a watching down, looking at the fucking